What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I want to do a talking video of the Stihl HT131 pole saw. Now I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 because it did not get used in 2024 last year. So I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 this year for Maui season. And I know since the fact this thing will get used this year, and I promise you this thing will get used this year for 2025 because you can see how much expected this thing exactly because it's a pretty nice looking pole saw in my opinion, but you can see how much expected this thing exactly. I don't know if the thing still has compression or not, so I don't know if the thing still starts this year. I'm pretty sure it will exactly because you can see how much we expected this thing exactly because you can tell. I mean, when you use this machine like this, it's I know the bar chain still hasn't been replaced yet because it's just sitting in the corner here, you can see. But it's definitely how much we expected on this pole saw here exactly because I do hope so this thing will get used this year for 2025 and I promise you this thing will get used this year for 2025 because well it's a pretty nice looking pole saw in my opinion, so you can see this thing will get used this year for 2025 and I promise this thing will get used this year. But you know what, this definitely looks a really nice looking pole saw, so I hope it's